Homemade Mexican torta sub cheeseburger recipe, authentic and delicious. Hey, foodies! Welcome back to our multi-recipes and COOKERIES channel. Today, we've got something incredibly delicious for you, a homemade Mexican torta sub cheeseburger. This fusion of flavors is going to blow your taste buds away. So, grab your aprons and let's get cooking. Show all the ingredients neatly arranged on the kitchen counter. Briefly introduce each ingredient. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our mouthwatering recipes. Ground beef, 1 lb. Mexican bolillo rolls, or your favorite sub rolls. Refried beans, 1 can. Avocado, 1, sliced. Tomatoes, 2, sliced. Red onions, 1, thinly sliced. Lettuce, 1 cup, shredded. Jalapenos, optional, for some heat. Mayonnaise, 1/2 cup. Mustard, 2 tablespoons. Mexican blend cheese, 1 cup, shredded. Olive oil, 2 tablespoons. Salt and pepper to taste. First things first, let's season our ground beef. Show the ground beef in a bowl. Add salt, pepper, and any preferred Mexican spices. Now, let it marinate for about 10 minutes to soak in all those flavors. Heat a pan with olive oil over medium heat. Add the seasoned beef to the pan. Cook until browned, breaking it apart as it cooks. Once our beef is beautifully browned, set it aside. Now comes the fun part, assembling our Mexican torta sub cheeseburger. Cut the bolillo rolls in half. Spread a layer of refried beans on the bottom half. Add a generous portion of our seasoned ground beef. Layer on sliced tomatoes, red onions, and avocado. Sprinkle with shredded lettuce. For some extra kick, add sliced jalapenos. Our sauce is a game changer. In a bowl, mix mayo and mustard. Spread this delicious sauce on the top half of the bolillo roll. Place the top half on your masterpiece. Now, it's time for the final touch, cheese. Sprinkle the Mexican blend cheese on top. Pop the assembled torta sub cheeseburger into the oven for a few minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. And there you have it, our homemade Mexican torta sub cheeseburger. Look at this beauty, holds up the burger. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe our multi-recipes and COOKERIES channel if you enjoyed it, and let us know in the comments what other delicious recipes you'd like to see. Until next time, happy cooking. Thank you very much, homemade Mexican torta sub cheeseburger lovers.